This is my cat Greg. My cat Greg likes to be vacuumed. As you can see, there is the vacuum hose. Now when I start vacuuming, you're not going to hear me speak. So keep an eye on Greg. What'd you think, Greg? You liked it? And you want more?